Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I cook a very simple dish, but of course it's delicious. We call this the sipo egg. It is main ingredients is the quail egg. It is very delicious. It's very creamy, and I'm sure your family will love it. So today I'm going to show you how I cook this very delicious menu. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. So at first, there is my cook ham. Just need to cut it into cubes, small pieces, just like that. Very easy. You have to be careful with the knife. And there is me too. Our cat. So there you go. So let's start cooking. So in here I sauteed garlic and onions with butter. And then there you go. Just drop the ham and cook it together with the onion and garlic. Then add some seasoning. My favorite seasoning is the pepper. Put as many as you want, or put as less as you want. It's up to you. It's your choice. But me, I want it peppery. Lots of pepper. So there you go. Then add some salt. Of course. Then mix. This is a very delicious dish. You can eat it with rice or without rice. So I took the quail egg that I peeled earlier. Just dump it in. There you go. Let's cook it also. Add it. Just like that. Then our chicken cubes and MSG. MSG is optional. If you don't have it, then don't problem. If you don't have MSG, then don't put it. If you don't want to put MSG, it's okay. It's up to you. But MSG makes the food more tasty. And there you go, our mixed vegetables. Just dump it in. There you go. We're going to simmer it for 15 minutes. Or until the veggies are cooked. These are green peas, carrots, and corn. Just have to simmer it. Then let's add some water. There you go. Just have a cup of water just to simmer. Then let's add the all-purpose cream. That's to make it creamy. There you go. And also our evaporated milk. Just 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and another dash of pepper. There you go. I really love pepper. I just don't know why. There you go. You just have to simmer it for another 15 minutes in a very low fire, and then you can dig it in. You can eat it together with rice. Wow. If you want to gain weight, eat it with rice. And if you want to gain a little weight, don't eat with rice. So there you go. Our very special, creamy, delicious sepo egg, or what we quail egg. There you go. This is a very delicious dish. Hope you love this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video helped you a little or even a lot. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button or also comment. Thank you very much for watching.